Hey there, side hustlers. Ever dreamed of earning passive income while sipping your favorite coffee? Well, today I'm going to share with you how to make big bucks by self-publishing your ebook online. It's simpler than you think, and if you stick around, you'll see why this could be a game changer for you. First things first, let's talk about picking a topic. Choose something you're passionate about or have some expertise in. It could be anything: cooking, fitness, personal finance, or even a gripping novel. The key is to provide value to your readers. Remember, your ebook doesn't have to be a 500-page epic. Shorter, more concise books often perform better. Quality over quantity, my friends. Next step, writing the content. Break it down into manageable chunks. Set small daily writing goals. Trust me, consistency is your best friend here. Don't get bogged down by perfectionism. Just get your thoughts down on paper and refine later. Now let's talk about the technical side. Formatting your ebook can seem intimidating, but tools like Scrivener or even Google Docs can simplify the process. Make sure your book is clean, professional, and easy to read. A well-formatted book can make a world of difference. Once your ebook is ready, it's time to design an eye-catching cover. Remember, people do judge a book by its cover. You don't have to be a graphic designer for this. Platforms like Canva offer easy-to-use templates. Invest a little time here, it's totally worth it. Alright, now comes the exciting part: self-publishing. Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, or KDP, is a fantastic platform for beginners. It's user-friendly and gives you access to a massive audience. Upload your manuscript, cover, and fill out the necessary details. Set your price, and boom! Your ebook is available to millions of potential readers. But wait, don't just stop there. Promotion is key. Utilize social media, start a blog, or create a YouTube channel to generate buzz. Engage with your audience, offer sneak peeks, and encourage reviews. The more visibility you create, the higher your chances of making sales. Now let's talk numbers. While results vary, many authors find that ebooks become a steady source of income. With the right strategy, you can make anywhere from a few hundred to several $1,000s a month. And the best part? It's passive income. Once your book is out there, it keeps working for you. So, what are you waiting for? Start brainstorming, get writing, and watch your side hustle flourish. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on making money online. Happy writing!